Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you're looking the premium subscription of Gemini 2.5. This video is very important for you. The Gemini 2.5 is yearly subscription price $288. Monthly subscription is $24, but if I'm telling you, you can get this subscription just only $30 entire year. My PC Key platform providing such offer. In this video, we will see how to purchase and how to access entire process. I will provide you detailed demonstration. So let's check it out. So first of all, open the Google, type My PC Key platform. Afterward, you just simply click here, My PC Key platform. Here is the all types of different subscription also providing the My PC Key platform. We just simply scroll down here. Afterwards, here AI tools option is available, and boom, look at this here, Gemini 2.5 Pro version is available. We just simply click here, and if you're getting this subscription, you can receive multiple different options as well. Look at this here, Gemini 2.5 Pro provide private family account 12 months, add 5 users, the specific email, VEO3 AI, 2 TB cloud storage as well, multi-modal AI 2.5 Pro, text, image, audio and audio code as well, integrate by Gmail, Doc, add Android Chrome as well, 35 plus support different languages as well, API access like a Google AI Studio and virtual AI as well, and most important, real-time web browsing as well available for this subscription. Trust issue, here the Google and Etsy platform recognize, the Google are recognize this platform. People are providing very positive review, not one, multiple people are providing very positive review, and Trustpilot also recognized for this platform. Out of 5, 4.6 rating, and here last but not least, Etsy platform also recognized 681 sales. They already did this one. Now we just simply scroll down here, how to purchase, just simply click here, buy now. You should put it here, the coupon My PC Key, apply the coupon and get 10% discount as well. Including this subscription price, you receive all types of features. Subscription price is $30. As a payment perspective, Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, PayPal, credit card, debit card, accept this one and just simply purchase the subscription. It's very easy. Place the order, and as a subscription point of view, I need to pay 2,487 INR. I just simply scan this QR code, open my Android phone here, scan this QR code, wait a couple of seconds and complete this payment. Payment is successfully done with the help of Paytm. Thank you for your order has been received. Today is the 13th of July. Here is my email address and the password. We receive the license key on Gmail. Look at this here, you receive the email, other account related information. After purchasing the subscription, all the information you receive, which email address you providing during the purchase timing. I am receiving this email. Inside the email, we receive all information like my license key and password and username. Here the order number, same as it is. Here is the license key and password. Afterward, I just simply open here Google, account.google.com. Simply we need to provide there this account information and same password as we receive the password as a key format. Boom, look at this here, welcome. And after that, security, here the password, new password, add here. As they providing the password, I add here my new password. Two-step verification, you always active. Account storage, I receive here 2 TB account space for this subscription price including. And here the home, if I click the home and I type here Gemini 2.5 Pro, click here. I already added this link in video description, and after that try to Gemini, and boom, look at this here, the Pro is coming. And here 2 different types of chatbot we can access very easily. You should put it here any types of question like a Sin 6 modern API. I put it here small script, and afterwards the Gemini are providing me as a video format.
Looking for genuine digital software and license keys at an affordable price? Visit mypckey.com today.
And you can share your account with your family as well. Just put it here, email address, and send it to them. They can access the same subscription for 5 people. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.